Ready to unlock a world of virtual reality adventures using that American Express gift card? First, open the Oculus app on your phone or tablet. Making sure you're logged into your account, you'll see the main screen with various VR experiences. Scroll down to the bottom right corner and select Menu. On the menu screen, you can view and navigate settings, user profiles, and payment options. Click on Payment Methods near the top. Now, to add that American Express gift card, tap the Add Payment Method button. You'll be presented with choices like credit card or PayPal. Choose credit card since an American Express gift card functions like a regular credit card for online purchases. Next, carefully enter your American Express gift card details. That includes the 15-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3 or 4-digit CVV code found on the back of the card. Be precise and double-check all the numbers for accuracy. The app may also ask for a billing address. You can use your home address, or if you prefer, use the billing address associated with the gift card if one was provided upon purchase. Once all the information is entered correctly, click the Save or Add Card button. Now the American Express gift card will appear as one of your payment methods. With your gift card linked, you're all set to explore the Oculus Store. Find the VR game or experience you want, add it to your cart, and during checkout, select your American Express gift card as the payment method. Just confirm the purchase and get ready to dive into your new VR adventure. Enjoy!